how have you guys been today? This video is a maintenance vlog, just a compilation of some footage about me getting myself taken care of, So here I decided to get pedicure done. I got it done for £25 actually. It was done by a professional, and I also got to sit on the massage chair at the pedicure studio. I've not had my foot nails done in 2 years by someone else. I've been doing it myself. It's been DIY, trying to do things at my own leisure and convenient time, and probably saving the cost, So today I thought, I've been diligent, I've been working, so let me just treat myself. That's why this vlog is coming out. So, by the way, my feet has been soaked in warm water right here, and I was just relaxing. And what else? This video actually had its own audio, but when I was editing, I thought that I might have a copyright flag when I upload, so I decided to take it off. But then stick around and let's enjoy this maintenance vlog together. Hopefully it will ginger you to do yours too.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
So in a bit to get my self-care in place, my maintenance vlog in place, I'm on my way to my appointment to get my cornrows done. It's just within my neighborhood. It's just about 5 minutes walk to the house, so I decided to take a walk down, and I'm just like 2 minutes away to the person's place. So I'll see you after I get my cornrows fixed. Okay, but we don't do here. I'm done making my hair. My hair is all gone. No more hair length. Length check, no more length. Like, see, no more length and very thin. But I'm not mad. The God that gave me head will give me hair. I've been up so ask that. Okay, so I'm on my way to the lash tech's shop. Although I don't have any appointments, I'm just going in for a walk-in. If I'm able to get it done, fine. If I'm unable to get it done, oh well and good. By the way, I like this, my recommended glasses, because it switches from being clear to being dark to suit the weather. Okay, see you later.
Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration.
So I got my lashes done. Why do I don't feel naked, but my eyes feels weird, so I got it done. But I don't still know how I feel about it, but it feels so different. And well, these are lash extensions, and it took about 1 hour to get this done. So everything that I had to do as per this particular maintenance was around it took about one hour for this to be done, and it took about, I've been out since 9 o'clock, and this is currently past 12, no, past 1, although I had to walk to some places, but it's within the same terrain. So now I'm home. I'm going to hit something and take it up. Catch you later. Hi. So the latest update on this my maintenance vlog is that I'm installing my wig. Remember earlier in the day I had to go get my cornrows done, and now I'm installing my wig, and I think I'm almost done. I have a mirror right in front of me that I'm using to install the wig. So all right. Hi guys. So what's the latest update? I've finished installing my hair, and I packed it in this mesh cap because I'm going to use my hair bonnet now, and I'm obviously going to sleep. Everyone is asleep. It's just me awake, and the time is currently 1:30 in the morning. But then I finished the installation around 12 o'clock, and I've just been lazing around the living room. Am I tired? Not really. But I feel like, oh, I've done a whole lot of stuff as regards this maintenance vlog that I was trying to push out, and I'm so glad. And then I have fresh hair for the week, or probably for the month, or for the next 2 weeks. My nails are check, eyelashes check, eyebrows shaved, skincare obviously. I do that almost every day, so I'm not bothered. All right guys, I'll be going to sleep right now. I have dishes to do there. I'll do that tomorrow morning. I'll do that in the morning because it's already morning. I'll do that during the daylights, the day break. What else? I'm sure by now you guys must be tired of this my I Love Jerusalem t-shirts. First off, it was a gift from my mom. Yeah, so I really like it. I have it in white as well, and the white one is actually so special to me. Okay, a girl needs to go and lie down right now. See you guys later. I can do I can put the cost of everything that I've done on a part of the screen if I remember when editing this vlog, just as a reminder and like a comparison between when you do DIYs for your maintenance and when you actually get the services rendered to you by the professionals. Okay, well, obviously I feel like DIYs are cheaper. In my own case, DIYs are cheaper, and when you get things done by professionals, they're actually much more expensive. But for me, I don't mind, because for the past 2 years or thereabouts, I've been doing DIYs. So, you know, sometimes you just feel like, let me just sit down, relax, and be taken care of. Or what do you think? So that's what happened to me this month. Although, for about 3 months now, I've been going to get my nails done at the nail shop. You know, just a little bit of spending on myself, you know, because it makes me feel relaxed, kind of. But I don't go overboard, obviously. I do things within my reach. I don't. So, yeah. Guys, I've spent a lot of time with you today. I'll just go to bed right now, okay? It's Sunday already, and I'll be going to church around 10:30, 11 o'clock. And this is 1:30. Let a girl go to sleep. Ciao.
broken. Don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul.